Can you really learn English all by yourself? At home? Without a teacher?
I don't know. It feels impossible.
Yes, you can. Well, let me show you how you can do it step by step. And by the end, I'll even share some fun free apps that make learning feel like a game. So stay till the end. Problems English learners face.
I don't know where to start. I keep forgetting words, and sometimes I just feel like giving up.
You're not alone. Every learner feels like that. But trust me, you can fix this with the right plan and a positive mindset. Step 1. Set a clear, small goal. Small steps. Big results. Write something simple like, I'll learn 5 new words today, or I'll speak for 2 minutes in English. That's it.